Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nero, and if you've been here, thank you for always supporting me. And today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to show you guys how I did this braids. Like, this is the easiest way you can braid your hair. So yeah, very easy. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Hopefully you're going to learn something new that is going to help you, and I really love how it turned out. I'm really proud of myself. Let's get to the video, guys. I'm so excited for you guys to learn how easy this style is. Like, if you keep on practicing, this is something you'll be doing like almost every time you're going to save yourself some coins. This hair, I use this black braid over here, and I also use this braid. So if you're seeing these white things, the shea butter and the leave-in treatment I put after washing my hair. So I did this matutas, then I washed my hair. I feel like it's better, like personally I feel like it's better when it's done that way. Like, that is how I like doing it. Then I'm going to use this coconut oil to moisturize this braid, so that when I braid my hair, I'm not going to have those things that are peeping out. And I have 5 black braids. I think I want to have colorful braids. I don't want to do all black braids. Yeah, so I'm going to apply this coconut oil on the braid, and I don't know if you guys can see the difference before and after I've put oil on the braid. Then you can just take out this one's on the end. I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use this thickness.
Only that it's in the box. You can't straighten that out. I'm going to try this. How do you know this? They don't invest in this. They go over to it. See, actually, what the good. Now, no, those people are actually like this. It's like there's a speech. They actually have some of it. So then keep split. Keep doing that. So I have one house. One million. That's why you have some different type of them. But then you talk good. See, well, I didn't relate to me.
I have finished fixing the braids on my hair, but then again, wow, I tried to like tuck the braid. As you can see, when you crochet that braid first, it's supposed to hide the actual braid on your actual hair inside the braid, so that when you braid your hair, it's all going to peep outside. But like in the likes for this one, then what I do is like I pass my crochet through the other side, then just pull it across. I'm trying to hide it from showing. Yeah, so now it's not really visible, and you guys can see it's not really tight on my edges, and I love how big they are because it's really easy to like finish. So we are going to extend the braids downwards each so that we can finish this look, and so far so good. Yeah, I love the way it looks. So let's finish the braids all the way through. In order for me to keep track of how I'm going to finish so that I can't leave some, I'm going to hold them like this together. Sanding we're going to use this color is Rua Piston Braid from Sistar. For the black braids I used Abuja number 1. Yeah, I used Abuja number 1 for the black braid, and this one it's Rua Piston Braid Gray Stroke 350 or 340 stroke 360. I think it's 350. 340 stroke 350. Oof, and this is how it looks. Well, I think it's white at the end, it's whitish. So let's fix the braids. Let's finish this look. So inside it has like these two bunches, and it has the two, and this is the one braid. So we are going to remove this. Oops. So we are going to divide this into, let's do 3 pieces. Okay, you guys can see this braid has like 3 colors, huh? Then you're going to add a bit. I don't want them too thick as they go down, so if you don't want them thick, as you continue adding, just reduce the size of the braid that you're using to extend. Then you can always try, if there are different colors and you want the neat ombre look, of which I'm trying to get, you can like use the bright color to hide the black inside while braiding so that it can fade as you braid. I'm going to show you how to extend a braid. So I have finished all these other ones. When you at the end, make sure you don't braid until the end, until when it's thin. So you take this braid, you put it below like this, hold it like this, then take it in the middle and continue plaiting while holding tightly, because they need to be balanced. You'll also add another. So you'll add this, so you hold it with this other finger and the other one remains to the strand you want to add. So you're going to like this to plait like this, and because one is thick, we are going to balance it out. So you're going to take some from this side, put it on the other side, then you keep on braiding, and so you can see how it's turning out. I'm going to take another small braid and I'm going to add there. This is a transition.